Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. Today's video is going to be how to get flat iron waves. So I will show you all the things that you need to get started, and then I'll show you kind of like a step-by-step about how I do it myself. So I'll put the video next, and then I'll just do a little voiceover to let you guys know what the technique is and how you can achieve these fun beachy waves.
What you'll need: a hairbrush, claw clip, scrunchie, heat protector, volume spray, hairspray, and a flat iron. So you will start by giving your hair a thorough brush through. Next, I begin to divide my hair. I usually part it into 3 sections when I'm heat styling. The first section, I pull up all of the hair from the ears up and I twist it into a bun. Then I secure the bun with a claw clip. The sections don't need to be perfect, they just make it easier to work with smaller amounts of hair. Next, you will spray your hair with heat protecting spray and give it a good brush through again. Start your first section by taking small pieces from the very back. The technique you will use with the straightener is sort of like you are twisting a lock to be locked and unlocked, locked and unlocked. You can adjust the waves by flipping up and down more quickly to make smaller waves, or you can flip the straightener slower in longer strokes to make less waves. It can definitely take a few tries to get used to. I spray the hair with hairspray when I complete a section, and then I go on to the next. I always start with the bottom back pieces because if you mess up a little at the beginning, these pieces will all be hidden. As you can see, a few of these ones aren't coming out great, but that's why I always start at the bottom. Don't be afraid to redo a piece if you need to. Once the whole bottom section is complete and hair is sprayed, I take my scrunchie and secure the heat styled hair into a low pony that looks like this. Now you can take down your hair and brush through it again. We will now put about half of the remaining hair up into a bun, secured with the claw clip. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. Brush out your hair, heat spray it, and repeat the steps. I have fast forwarded the middle section since it's the exact same and gets a little bit repetitive, but I'll slow back down again for the top section just to show you how I do that. Now that you're ready to do the top section, this part is the most important since it's the main part that people will see. I usually brush out the hair a lot more before working on the top. I start with a thorough brush through, and I usually brush through each strand before I start to actually heat style it. Don't forget your heat protecting spray. By now I have had a lot of practice with the motion from doing the bottom and middle sections that I know exactly how I want my waves to look. Sometimes a little bit of a line will appear near the top. I usually just flatten that out afterwards with the straightener, just in sort of a swooping motion, sort of in like a rainbow shape. It's also important, if you do have any hair with damage or breakage, that you try not to over heat style those particular pieces. You might have noticed that there was a little piece near the front that was just a little bit shorter, and I just took that out because I didn't want to damage it anymore and make it kind of fry off and get shorter. I finish the first side and hairspray it, then I move on to the next side. And I just fast forward it a little bit again, since you probably have a good idea of what the technique is by now. Now that I'm done, I take out the hair strands from my scrunchie and combine them together. I like to use my brush now, which is optional, to give my hair a softer, natural look to the waves. For added volume, I like to spray volume spray between the top and middle layer and massage it in. I will also spray this into the ends to add a little bit more texture. This wavy hairstyle is really quick and easy. It only takes me about 15 minutes after the straightener is hot, and it lasts me all day. I would probably say if you have enough time to straighten your hair, you have enough time to do this wavy hair with a straightener. And here are the finished results.
Thanks guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to comment down below if you think you'll be trying out this hairstyle, and also like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next one.